Information about a different type of affiliate program. Promoting music-related websites through an affiliate program is an excellent way of earning some extra cash online. There are many websites offering good commissions on various music-related products. The music industry is huge, making the variety of merchandise equally large. This makes for a wide selection of affiliate programs potentially right for your website. You need to figure out what to promote, as well as how to promote the products. Often the content of your site will give you a good idea of what affiliate program to promote. If you are reviewing records in any way, an obvious way of making affiliate commission would be to have a direct link to every record reviewed. Even though many internet users download their music, enough people still buys their records. There are many affiliate programs offering products such as downloadable music, music players, instrument classes or instruments for sale. Look around to see if you can find a good match. Posters can also be a very good product to promote on non-art related websites with the right type of visitors. The variety of posters makes it a very interesting when using affiliate programs. Unlike most art, posters are not expensive at all. This is perhaps the easiest art-related product to promote, but the commission earned on every sale will be significantly lower. Selling paintings online isn't easy, but still some manage to succeed. If you can find a successful website, selling paintings, with a decent affiliate program, you may have a good chance of making some nice commissions. Most paintings are quite expensive, making only a few sales go a long way. Finding good online web shops with an equally good affiliate program is hard in any small niche, paintings are no exception. But, as affiliate programs get easier and easier to join and implement, joining a new program is easier than ever. So, if you are not converting well enough, just find a new paintings affiliate program to try out. Art affiliate programs, or any artistic program, can make a very nice addition to websites of many niches outside the obvious, art. The reason for this is simple: most people like art. Wait a minute, you think, that can't be right. But it is. The only problem you are facing is to figure out a way to intrigue as many of your visitors you possibly can. All types of affiliate programs are amazing and can bring forth great success to many people. This is something that can finally give you the ability to make that amount of money that you have always wanted to make for yourself, and you will have so much to feel proud of. Being determined can get you a very long way in this type of venture, and a great deal of work is going to have to be completed as well. An affiliate program can come in many different forms, but the best thing about all of them is that they are the reason for so many people finally having the opportunity to do what it is they have been wanting to do for so long. Thank you for watching. Please consider to subscribe and like. For more information, please visit the link below.